보란 듯이 무너졌어 바닥을 뚫고 저 지하까지.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Efrila Melati, my student number 403.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Novia Ayuwidasari and my student number is 391.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Mundiasari Artamevia. My student number is 449.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Alvina Putri Mauludia. My student number is 2019310452.
Thank you for the opportunity. I will explain about brief exercise or B11.1. Fernandez Corporation purchased a truck at the beginning of 2019 for $50,000. The truck is estimated to have a residual value of $2,000 and a useful life of 160,000 miles. It was driven 23,000 miles in 2019 and 31,000 miles in 2020. Compute depreciation expense for 2019 and 2020. Answer B 11.1. In 2019, in parentheses 50,000 minus 2,000 multiplied by 23,000 divided by 160,000 is $6,900. In 2020, in parentheses 50,000 minus 2,000 multiplied by 31,000 divided by 160,000 is $9,300. Answer B 11.1. In 2019, in parentheses 50,000 minus 2,000 multiplied by 23,000 divided by 160,000 is $6,900. In 2020, in parentheses 50,000 minus 2,000 multiplied by 31,000 divided by 160,000 is $9,300.
I will answer about the brief exercise 11.2. The question is Lockhart SE purchased machinery on 1 January 2019 for $80,000, and then the machinery is estimated to have a residual value of $8,000 after a useful life of 8 years. The instruction is A. Compute 2019 depreciation expense using the straight line method, and B. Compute 2019 depreciation expense using the straight line method, assuming the machinery was purchased on 1 September 2019. The answer is A. Depreciation expense amount cost of asset minus estimated residual value divided useful life. Amount $80,000 minus $8,000 divided 8, and then amount is $9,000. B. Depreciation expense amount cost of asset minus estimated residual value divided useful life times 4 divided 12. Amount $80,000 minus $8,000 divided 8 times 4 divided 12. Amount $3,000.
I will answer of brief exercise 11.3. Use the information for local company given in brief exercise 11.2. A. Compute 2015 depreciation expense using the sum of the year's digit method. B. Compute 2015 depreciation expense using the sum of the year's digit method, assuming the machinery was purchased on April 1st, 2015. The answer is A. $80,000 minus $8,000 multiplied by 8 divided by 36 is $16,000. 36 from 8 plus 1 is 9 multiplied by 8 divided by 2. The answer B is $80,000 minus $8,000 multiplied by 8 divided by 36 multiplied by 9 divided by 12 is $12,000.
Here I will explain about brief exercise 11.5. The brief exercise 11.5 that is asked depreciable base of Comiskey new machine. And my answer, depreciable base is $28,000 plus $200 plus $125 plus $500 plus $475 minus $3,000. And the result is $26,300.
Thank you for the opportunity. I will explain about exercise or E11.1. Lansbury Ltd purchased equipment on January 1, year 1 at a cost of £518,000. The asset is expected to have a service life of 12 years and a residual value of £5,000. Instruction A. Compute the amount of depreciation for each of year 1 through 3 using the straight line depreciation method. B. Compute the amount of depreciation for each of year 1 through 3 using the sum of the year's digit method. C. Compute the amount of depreciation for each of year 1 through 3 using the double declining balance method. In performing your calculations, round constant percentage to the nearest 100th of a point and round answers to the nearest pound. Answer E11.1. A. Straight line method depreciation for each of year 1 through 3 in parentheses 518,000 minus 50,000 divided by 12 is 39,000. B. Sum of the year's digit method. In parentheses 12 multiplied by in parentheses 12 plus on divided by 2 is 78, or 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 78. Depreciation year 1. 1278 multiplied by in parentheses 580,000 minus 50,000 is 72,000. Depreciation years 2. 1178 multiplied by in parentheses 518,000 minus 50,000 is 66,000. Depreciation year 3. 1078 multiplied by in parentheses 518,000 minus 50,000 is 60,000. C. Double declining balance method. 112 multiplied by 2 is 16.67%. Depreciation year 1, 518,000 multiplied by 16.67% is 86,350.6. Depreciation years 2 in parentheses 518,000 minus 86,350.6 multiplied by 16.67% is 71,955.95. Depreciation year 3 in parentheses 518,000 minus 86,350.6 minus 71,955.95 multiplied by 16.67% is 59,960.90.
I will answer of exercise 11.3. Instruction A. Compute the depreciation for this asset for 2015 and 2016 using the sum of the years digit method. B. Compute the depreciation for this asset for 2015 and 2016 using the double declining balance method. The answer is A. 20 plus 1 is 21 multiplied by 20 divided by 2 is 210. Then 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 20 divided by 210 multiplied by $774,000 minus $60,000 is $51,000 is for 2015. Then for 2016 is 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 20 divided by 210 multiplied by $774,000 minus $60,000 is $17,000. Then 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 19 divided by 210 multiplied by $774,000 minus $60,000 is $48,450. Then $17,000 plus $48,450 is $65,450 is for 2016. Then the answer for B is 100% divided by 20 is 5%. Then 5% multiplied by 2 is 10%. Then 3 divided by 4 multiplied 10% multiplied $774,000 is $58,050 is for 2015. Then for 2016 is 10% multiplied by $774,000 minus $58,015 is $71,595 is for 2016.
Exercise 11.4. The exercise 11.4 that is asked: A. Straight line, B. Unit of output, C. Working hours, D. Sum the year's digits, E. Double declining balance. And my answer for point A, straight line, is $279,000 minus $15,000 and the result is $264,000. And then $264,000 divided by 10 years. And then the result is $26,400. 4.B. Unit of output is $264,000 divided by 240,000 units, and the result is $1.10. And then $1.10 multiplied by 25,500, and the result is $28,050. 4.C. Working hours is $264,000 divided by 25,000 hours, and the result is $10.56 per hour. And then $10.50 per hour multiplied by 2,650 hours, and the result is $27,984. 4.D. Sum of the year's digit is 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1, and the result is 55. And then 10 divided by 55 multiplied by $264,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 3, and the result is $16,000. And then 9 divided by 55 multiplied by $264,000 multiplied by 2 divided 3, and the result is $28,800. Total for 2020 is 16,000 plus 28,800 is $44,800. 4.E. Double declining balance is $279,000 multiplied by 20% and multiplied by 1 divided by 3 is $18,600. Then 279,000 minus 20% multiplied by 279,000 multiplied by 20% and multiplied by 2 divided 3, and the result is $29,760. Total for 2020 is $18,800 plus $29,760 is $48,360.
Exercise 11.9. This question is: Moral manufacturing has equipment that is composed of 5 components. Amount in thousand. In the table, there are information about the 5 components. The instruction is: A. Prepare the adjusting entry necessary at the of the year to record depreciation for the year. Assume that Maro use straight line depreciation. And B. Prepare the entry to record the replacement of component B, for cash of $40,000, it was used for 6 years. The answer is A. You can see it in the table. And then the depreciable cost in the table obtained from cost minus estimated residual, and then the depreciation per years obtained from the depreciable cost divided by estimated life. And then the composite life amount total depreciation cost divided total depreciation per year amount 134,700 divided 16,750 amount 8.04 year. And then composite rate amount total depreciation per year divided total cost amount 16,750 divided 152,600 amount 10.97%. B, you can see it in the table. And then the journal is cash $4,800 at debit, and accumulated depreciation plan assets $14,917 in the debit, and then the plan assets $19,417 in the credit. The cash obtained from the estimated residual on component B, and then the plan asset obtained from total depreciation per years, and the accumulated depreciation obtained from plan asset minus cash. Thank you.